everyone, for the love of food. Today, I'm going to be baking a cake. Now, it's not going to be just a plain old vanilla cake. What I'm going to do with my whipped cream cake and vanilla is I'm going to be adding in these wonderful fruits. I'm going to be adding in some kiwi, some peaches, and some strawberries. As you can see, it's colorful. It's going to be beautiful. So I'm going to be making a layer in between with the whipped cream and the fruit, and then I'm going to save some of the fruit to decorate the top. That's the fun thing about food, isn't it? Is that we have an opportunity to try and experiment. All right, so keep our fingers crossed. You all know I am not a baker, so I'm going to give it a shot. My last cake turned out okay. Everybody seemed to like it. So let's go ahead and give this a try, shall we? I'm going to make this cake from scratch. So I've mixed in my dry ingredients in a bowl. And then I'm going to take some eggs, milk, and some butter. And I'm going to be mixing those in the KitchenAid. And I'm going to mix up all of my wet ingredients first, and then and my sugar, and then I'll be adding in the flour. And what I've done is I've lined some parchment paper in the bottom of my cake pans. I just traced them out and then made a circle and put that right in the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and put my batter in the pan.